Hi everyone, I hope you're okay today. First, may I introduce myself. My name is Jan Pulsulyo and I'm going to react about the topic, the Internet of Things or IoT. But first, we react. Let's watch this first. Let's go.
Let's dive into the magical world of IoT. IoT, or the Internet of Things, is like giving superpowers to everyday objects. Think smart fridges, wearables, even light bulbs that know when to turn on. Imagine this. You're leaving work, and your thermostat at home already knows to start warming up the house. Or your fitness tracker sends your workout stats directly to your doctor. Cool, right? IoT is transforming our daily lives by making everything more connected and efficient. From smart cities with traffic lights that reduce congestion, to agriculture where sensors ensure crops get just the right amount of water. And the future? Think self-driving cars, smart health monitoring, and homes that practically run themselves. So next time your fridge texts you to buy eggs, just remember that's IoT, making life a bit smoother, one smart device at a time.
The video provides a clear and concise explanation of Internet of Things or IoT. IoT is a significance in everyday life. It effectively breaks down IoT as a network connected devices that collect or exchange data, making it easier for users to optimize and various aspects of their lives. The example of smartwatch is particularly relatable. It is a demonstrate how IoT device help individuals track their health and make informed decisions. Moreover, the video highlights the key benefits of IoT, such as reducing human effort and providing valuable data of enhanced productivity, health, and energy efficiency. This is important takeaway as IoT increasing shaping the way people interact with technology. However, the video would go further by addressing potential challenges, such as security, risk, and data privacy concern. Overall, the video serve a good interaction to IoT, making it accessible to a broad audience and encourage viewers to explore the technology further, which is essential given its growing the role model. So let's proceed the advantage and disadvantage of Internet of Things. First, the advantage of Internet of Things. There are 5. First is the automation and efficiency. To reduce manual by effort automating tasks, matching fast process faster and more efficient. Number 2 is better decision making. The IoT with capacity to gather and analyze data aids individual and business in making informed resources. And number 2, cost saving. Smart devices allow reduction in their energy usage, reduce maintenance costs, and better manage resources. And number 4 is improved quality of life. Wearable health devices, smart homes, and connected transport enhance the convenience and well-being of daily life. And number 5 is the enhanced security. IoT-based surveillance and security system help monitor and protect homes and workplace. So let's proceed to this advantage of IoT. First, the security and privacy risk. IoT device collect sensitive data so they become prime target for the cyber attack and hacking. And number 2 is complexity and compatibility issues. So different devices and platform may not work together seamlessly on all. Number 3, a high initial deployment cost. The implementation of IoT infrastructure may not come economically for businesses and smart home system alike. Number 4 is job displacement. With automation at IoT, some jobs done by people will replace, resulting in concern for employment opportunities. And number 5 is the reliability issues. IoT devices run completely off internet connectivity one-site disturbance crashes their action. So my personal insight about the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or IoT undoubtedly shaping the future and technology by enhancing automation, efficiency, and connectivity. The ability to gather real-time data and automate process to revolutionize industries from healthcare to smart homes. Personally, I find the improved quality life that IoT offers particularly fascinating. Wearable health devices for become wearable devices, for example, are already helping people monitor vital signs and prevent health issues. before they become critical. However, while the benefits of IoT are impressive, its disadvantage raise some secure concerns. Security and privacy risks remain the biggest challenges. A cyber attack and the data breach could compromise personal and business information. Additionally, the reliance of internet connected mix of vulnerable and network fails, so thus the entire system the potential for job displacement to the automation and other issues that needs to address it. This disturb various industries. Overall, IoT is exciting yet complex advancement, while its potential is vast companies. This individual must find the way to balance innovation with security, reliability, and ethical consideration. The future of IoT depends on how well we can address this challenge while maximizing an advantage. And in conclusion, IoT is increasingly integrated into daily life, offering convenience and automation and efficiency. While many people benefit from smart homes, devices, wearable and connected systems concerned about privacy, security, and reliance of the internet, may deter some user the decision to adapt and ultimately defines an individual needs, comfort with the technology, and awareness potential risks. And IoT continues to involve the impacts of everyday life will likely grow, shaping how people interact with the environment.